Hi children, today we learn chapter number 1 Harappan civilization. First we learn what do you mean the civilization. Civilization is said to be advanced stage of developed human culture. It has many parts. Civilization with the relation, many civilizations are there. Evaluation of cities were there, surplus food, division of labor, system of writing, public buildings, development of technology. These all included with the civilization. Now, which period it was? Period between 4000 and 3000 BC, remarkable progress developed in this civilization. First, man acquired greater knowledge and skill in mastering force of nature. Years back, he was a nomadian. Nomadian means roaming here and there, not a settled life. But later, he took the agriculture, made more effect production of the agriculture, efficient tools. Then after that, he learned to settle the life. Settle of the life helped him to bank of the rivers, river Ravi, river Indus and river Ganga. Such a rivers, valley of rivers, he learned to agriculture, farming. He learned to farming and settle his life. Number of farming villages involved first. After that, it is converted into towns and cities. River valleys always helped the agricultural due to surplus water supply. The surplus food production, they stored in the granaries, and this is happened during the 4000 and 3000 BC when the civilization began in the countries. Now, Bronze Age civilization. Bronze Age civilization means using stone, making the tools, and stone tools were used killing the animals and for other purpose of tools used. After that, little more developed weapons they used to make metal used. Metal is in the form of the copper. The first metal was copper to make the weapons and or the tools. Man understood copper more stronger than the stone tools. The variety of the copper tools made for the purpose of farming and killing the animals. So this particular period where the bronze used for making, copper and bronze used to making the tools, these tools known as the Chalcolithic period or called the Bronze Age. Chalcolithic period or the Bronze Age. Then again man learned the art of mixing copper with tin and zinc. Copper mixed with the metal of the zinc and tin produced the alloy called bronze. So bronze harder than the Ductile. Ductile means very easy to stretch out or make it expanding. Very easy to extend. Ductile means easy to expand the material. So man used copper as well as bronze. And this civilization important for making the tools and weapons. So both civilization come to known as a Bronze Age civilization. Copper and bronze used moreover to making the tools for their farming and killing the hunting purpose or killing the animal. So both civilization come to, one is called the Copper civilization, that is a Chalcolithic period or more. Bronze used with mixing the tin and zinc material. So that age civilization come to known as a Bronze Age civilization. Now by 2500 BC, Bronze Age civilization emerged in many other places, many other civilizations. Harappan civilization in the northern western part of India and Pakistan. Harappan civilization in northern and western part of India and Pakistan. Mesopotamian civilization emerged on the bank of river Euphrates and Tigris in modern Iraq. Euphrates and Tigris in modern Iraq. Chinese civilization in the valley of Huang Ho, Yangtze rivers, and the Egyptian civilization on the bank of Nile River in Egypt flourished during the age of the Bronze civilization. Now we come to the Harappan civilization.